Topic 9.6, draw a picture and write an equation. Today's objective is, I will draw pictures in related number sentences to solve problems. The first problem we're going to look at, which you should record in your notes, is, a present for Jana costs $30. How much less will each friend pay if 6 friends share the cost equally than if 5 friends share the cost equally? So I want to start off by cubing my problem. For this particular problem, I look at the question. The question is really long. How much less? So less makes me think of something. So I'm going to go ahead and box that information in. Makes me think of subtraction. How much less will each friend pay if 6 friends share the cost equally than if 5 friends share the cost equally? And the present costs $30. So right here, I'm going to underline my whole question. But I have 2 different questions that it's asking me. First thing I need to know is how much the friends will pay for 6 of them. So I need to split the cost of the present 6 ways. And I also need to split the cost of the present 5 ways. And then I can really answer my question. So the first thing I need to do is go ahead and try to figure that out. I can use my box diagrams that we've worked with before to help me set up a problem. So I know the total cost is going to be $30. Let's start with the first one here, 6. So I'm going to go ahead and split this up 6 ways. Okay, so I've got 6 boxes in here. So the 6 friends are splitting the $30 gift. So I will divide my 30 by 6. I know my math facts, so I know that 5 times 6 is what's going to give me 30. So 6 friends split. So I'm going to write for 6 friends. They're going to pay $5 each. Okay, now just like I did for that, I can set up another bar diagram for splitting it for 5 ways. So in there, again, thinking about my problem, 30 divided by 5 gives me 6. So each friend, if they split it 5 ways with 5 friends, are going to pay $6. Now, I'm not quite done yet. It looks like I've done a lot of work, but I still haven't even answered the question. The question is, how much less will each friend pay if 6 friends share the cost equally than if 5 friends? So I know that if 5 friends are sharing it, they're spending $6 each. And if 6 friends are sharing it, they're spending $5 each. So because it says how much less, I know I need to subtract. So 6 minus 5 just gives me 1. So if I were writing my answer in a complete sentence, I would say that 6 friends would pay $5 each, and 5 friends would pay $6 each. Therefore, it would be $1 less if 6 friends split it compared to 5. The next problem I want you to try is this one. Go ahead and write it down in your notes as well. Emily puts 32 flowers into 8 bouquets. How many flowers were in each bouquet if each had the same number of flowers? Okay, just like we always want to, we want to make sure we cube it. So she puts 32 flowers into 8 bouquets. Underlining my question, how many flowers were in each bouquet if they had the same number of flowers? Okay, I'm splitting them up, so I hear the part where I'm splitting things up, so I know that I need to divide. So I'm going to put that up there. I need to box in any important words. So how many flowers is going to be my label, were in each bouquet if they had the same number of flowers in each one? Okay, so I'm setting it up just like my bar diagram. I know that I'm going to have 32 flowers. And then I split the bottom part into 8 different sections because those would be each my bouquet. So my equation that goes along with my bar diagram I just created is 32 divided by 8 equals blank flowers. Again, thinking about my division skills, I know that 32 divided by 8, or 8 times what gives me 32, is going to give me 4. So that means that in each one of the 8 bouquets, we're going to have 4 flowers. The bar diagrams like this one help us set up an equation that then will help us solve the problem, but we always need to make sure we add our label on at the end. So my answer would be each bouquet would have 4 flowers.